The laser beam in Fuse 1 generation printers aims down through the ceiling of the print enclosure to sinter the nylon powder on the build chamber print bed. If this powder or other contamination reaches the area above the optical cassette, then the upper laser window can become obstructed and require cleaning. Maintenance prompts are tracked by the printer and viewable on the touchscreen. It is recommended to follow the touchscreen prompts on your printer as you complete this maintenance procedure. This logs that the procedure has been completed and enables the printer to notify you when it needs to be completed again. In this video, we'll walk you through how to clean the upper laser window on your Fuse 1 generation printer. If this video helps you solve your printer's issue, please like the video, and thanks for watching. To start, we'll be removing the optical cassette from the printer to access the upper laser window. First, put on a new, clean pair of nitrile gloves. Powder, skin oils, and other contaminants may smudge the glass windows in the optical cassette. Next, turn on the print enclosure light as we'll be working inside the print enclosure today. On the touchscreen, tap the wrench icon. The maintenance screen appears. Tap the light icon. The print enclosure light turns on. On the touchscreen, drag the unlock door slider. The print enclosure door unlocks. Open the print enclosure door. On the ceiling of the print enclosure, there is a thumb screw located in the front center of the printer cavity. Loosen the thumb screw until the cassette tray swings down. Slide the optical cassette out of the cassette tray. Set the optical cassette aside on a clean, flat surface with the gaskets facing upwards. Make sure that nothing is directly touching either glass window of the optical cassette to avoid scratching or smudging the glass windows. Back at the print enclosure, return the empty cassette tray to its closed position. Tighten the thumb screw to lock the cassette tray in place. With the optical cassette removed from the printer, we will now clean the upper laser window. Using the telescoping mirror, visually locate the upper laser window. The upper laser window is located towards the back in the enclosure ceiling and corresponds to the larger window in the optical cassette. Note the position of the upper laser window for later in the procedure and set the mirror aside. Wet a polyester cloth swab with a small amount of ethanol. The swab should be wet but not dripping. While using the telescoping mirror to guide your hand, place the tip of the wet swab against the upper laser window. Pull the swab across the upper laser window in a single direction to clean the surface. Repeat this multiple times, making sure to cover the full width and length of the upper laser window while wiping in a single direction. Wait 5 minutes for the ethanol to evaporate before inspecting the upper laser window or reinstalling the optical cassette. It is important that it is completely dry before moving on to the next step. Using the telescoping mirror, visually verify that the upper laser window is clean and clear of obstruction. If it is not clean, repeat this cleaning procedure with a new polyester cloth swab. Any streaks or debris can inhibit the functionality of the upper laser window and prevent it from performing properly, leading to print failures. Once the upper laser window is clean and fully dry, it is time to reinstall the optical cassette back into the printer. To reinstall the optical cassette, loosen the thumb screw on the ceiling of the printer cavity. The cassette tray swings down. Place the optical cassette back into the cassette tray. The blue gaskets should face upwards. Return the cassette tray to its closed position and tighten the thumb screws in the front of the printer cavity. Close the print enclosure door. Press firmly to ensure that the door is fully latched. Finally, turn off the print enclosure light now that the upper laser window is clean. On the touchscreen, tap the wrench icon to pull up the maintenance screen, and then tap the light icon, which turns the light off. We are now finished with the cleaning process. If you did not follow the touchscreen prompts to complete this procedure, be sure to check the checkbox for it on the maintenance screen to indicate that it was completed. Need help? Contact Formlabs support or a certified service provider for additional support. Did this video help you get printing again? If so, please leave a like on our video and subscribe for more content. What video do you want to see next? Leave a comment telling us more.